guys, in my previous video you had seen that we have worked on how to prep and prime our face and how to use the color corrector. This is a continuation where I'm going to show you how the concealer works on our face and how they cover the main flaws and how it's a necessity, and also it sometimes works as a basic foundation without applying any other foundation or making it look cakey. There are two main types of concealers. One is in form of a liquid concealer and one is in form of a pancake concealer. This is the LA Pro concealer, which is an HD and it's in the shade Warm Honey, and this is the Kryolan pancake concealer, which is in the shade FS26. I'm going to show you how the two different types of concealers work, half on this face and half on this one. And it again depends on the kind of quantity you take. It needs to be the correct shade. I'm going to use this brush. It's a buffing brush from PAC, shade number 219, for the Kryolan concealer on this side of my face. So I'm just taking a little bit because the coverage of Kryolan is really good and it covers up all your pores. It also can be used as a foundation. It does not need any sort of application of any other product from top, but yeah, definitely it creases a little later, so you can it's suggested to apply powder foundation later. With the Kryolan concealer, you can see how well it's concealed my face. You cannot see any flaws, you cannot see my under eyes, and you cannot see any other patches or any marks that are left, and you can see the difference between not applying any concealer and when I've applied the concealer. On the other side, I'm going to use Warm Honey LA Pro on this side of my face. So it looks like this. It comes with an application brush. Both the sides of my face, you can see how the spots have gone, and even the color correction that I had used is not visible anymore. So basically this also works as a foundation. I feel this is a little heavier compared to the LA Pro, so I'm just going to apply a little bit of powder foundation. can see it gives a very flawless finish to my face. None of the marks are visible. None of the my pores have been closed. From this step, we're going to see the next how to apply foundation and what are the different types of foundation. So yeah, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and do comment below if there are any queries or any questions regarding product or application or anything.